Can we see who liked our video on YouTube? Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to find out if we can see who likes our YouTube video or not. So let's just go ahead and find out if we can do it. So normally when we receive a notification on our YouTube, we usually go ahead, tap on this bell icon at the top right, and we will be getting all of our notifications here. So if you have posted any of the videos on your YouTube and you want to see who liked your YouTube video, unfortunately, we cannot see who exactly liked our YouTube video as YouTube keeps the user's information very private. So you can only access aggregate data about your video's likes through YouTube Analytics, which won't show individual user who liked it, but it may show you like the number of the likes. Apart from that, you can go and look for the comments instead if you want. You can find who commented instead, so you can, kind of guess like those people may have liked according to basis on their comments. So for now, I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.